Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Hi, guys. I hope the lighting is okay. You all hit that subscribe button right now. Don't go any further. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Thank you to every single one of my subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Let's keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving. Hit that notification bell, of course. Leave me a comment. Yes. Share the videos. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. So, you guys, welcome back. I'm just getting off from work. I don't know what I want to eat, but I'm hungry, so I don't necessarily want to cook. That's one of the, I guess things that don't change, from whether you reduce your size of living space or not. If you don't feel like cooking, you just don't feel like cooking. So, my family, I hope you all had a marvelous Monday, first of all. And if it wasn't the best day, at least it's over. Tomorrow is coming. Okay. So, let's forget about it. Whatever it was, it's gone behind you. Let's move forward. Let's stay in the moment. Okay. Let's enjoy life in the moment. Forget about it. If it's not going to help you, forget about it. So, guys, I've decided I want some chicken salad. So, here we go. Chicken salad. I'm going to use my vegan mayonnaise and just a little bit of seasoning. So, hold on. Let me go to my little pantry here. Get a little bit of parsley, some black pepper. I need some garlic. I'm going to need some garlic. I think that's over here. Well, onion powder will do. So, guys, sorry I'm chopping off my head here, but you guys don't really need to see me. You know your girl cute. You know your girl cute. So, we just gonna watch me make some salad, chicken salad. I'm just gonna have it with a sandwich. Ooh, these things are tough. But at least you know it's sealed properly. Just gonna have a sandwich. I may decide to. I don't even have any fruit left. Well, actually, I do have some fruit. I'll just eat some fruit cocktail. Not really hungry, like wanting a meal. So I'll keep it light. Okay, here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's hope everything stays in place here. So, one thing I did notice is that, when you have to drain cans and things like that, that's kind of what I missed the sink for. That's the only thing when you have to drain something. I don't like. Why is that on top of there? This is why I don't really like buying canned stuff. Let's see. But I thought I checked my date. Yeah. 2026. But they put all this stuff in the cans, I guess, to keep the food fresh. Yeah. So, how's your day? How's everything going? How is everyone doing on their goal setting? Remember, you are trying to achieve something this year, this month, this week, or even daily, if that's your objective. Set a goal, do something, even if it's just, loving on yourself mentally as well as physically. You don't only have to go spend money on spas and going out to dinner and stuff like that. Take a day to meditate. Get your mental health is important. You need balance. That's a part of self-love. Taking care of yourself emotionally, guys. You have to do it. When you're feeling overwhelmed, you have to pull to the side. Take some breaths. Inhale, exhale. Close your eyes, calm your breathing. It's important. I do it myself because there are so many things going on at work, and one person is responsible for that. And, to keep myself from getting overwhelmed, I pull to the side. I step in a room and I just inhale, exhale slowly. You have to. There's only one you. And guess what? Everything is going to go on if you're not there. You're not going to stop anything. So take care of yourself. Life goes on without you. So do your best to take care of the one and only you that you have, so that you too can be a part of this life and enjoy. I do need some relish. That's what's missing. I don't have any, but that's okay. I'm really not trying to be all fancy with this. I just need something to put on my stomach. Fasting is good, guys. Also. Spiritual fasting, train the body. Sacrifice something. Just like God sacrificed for you, you can sacrifice for him. Something that the body wants and craves, and it acts like it can't live without. You can sacrifice that. I fast on Mondays. The start of my week, dedicate that to God and, seed into my week like that. There's nothing that we can ever do to repay God. Nothing. So that's not my objective. But I do want to try and sacrifice for him as he sacrificed for me. Love him as he loves me. So, and fasting is good for your body. Very good for the body. I'm going to use a little bit of lemon pepper. Just to kind of give it a little twang. A little twang. It's not looking too bad. Not too bad. It smells good with the seasonings. It's not tuna, guys. It's chicken. I could have, went all out, chopped up celery and all that good old stuff, but I'm hungry. And I don't want to do all that. Just want me a sandwich and some fruit. keep it light. So guys, my goals are coming along very, very well. It's just, it's happening faster than I thought. Oh, I can actually have crackers with that also. I'll do the sandwich first. Here we go. And this is some Texas toast, you guys. You should use Texas toast for your grilled cheese sandwiches. Oh, yeah. Very nice. It would have been very presentable, though, if I'd have had some relish and everything in there, just to add a little color. But it's okay. Ta-da! Bon appetit. Nothing too fancy. Just to take the hunger pains away. Take the pains away. You guys have been so supportive. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm not successful without you guys. I am not. Thank you so much for everything that you are doing, the time that you are sacrificing to watch my channel, share my channel. Let's move these numbers. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. You guys have a blessed night. Take some time to just sit and meditate. Relax your body. Relax your mind. That is exactly what I'm about to do. Do something fun. Watch some comedy. You know, stop always watching the news. Give your body some joy, some laughter. For those of you who have lost loved ones, my condolences. I pray for comfort in your life, peace in your life. Time does not heal, but time does allow for acceptance. I would say that. Because the healing is a whole lifelong process. You know, so just cherish the memories, guys. Make good memories with your family, because once they're gone, they're gone. So, you know, and at least you can look back and smile and laugh at those good times, you know, those special moments that you were able to share together. So, again, you guys, remember to smile, because it will definitely make someone's day. Does not cost you anything. So thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please share, and let me know what you're up to. We need some goals. Set some goals, whatever it is. How simple, no matter how complex, whatever. Set some goals and keep trying. Don't give up. Never, ever, ever give up, no matter what. No matter how things look, no matter what's going on around you. Don't give up, because you never know what was around that corner, what was going to happen the next day, the next moment, the next knock on your door. You never know the next person that you might meet. Don't block your blessings. Don't give up. I appreciate you. I love you. Thank you all. Ciao.